Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix my page is restricted problem. So you can see my page is restricted now or disabled. So in this situation you have to go for in the see details. If you can see like this the page, then you can see here shows that account restricted. So my page is restricted now and I can't do anything from my page. So all I need to do in this situation is just in this right here, just go for continue request, and you have to go for in this I'm not a robot, go for continue, and you need to enter your phone number. And okay, if I go for my phone number here and send by SMS, so I have to enter my uh, code here. I have to wait for it, and when I get my digit or 6-digit code, then I have to just continue. And after continuing, you have to wait for uh, 2 days. Then Facebook will help you in this situation and unrestricted to your Facebook page. So that's it. This is how you can unrestrict or fix your restricted account or page like this by this method. So yeah, hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xiroosft. Xiroosft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xiroosft today. For more details, check the description box.